Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Golf Life 2.0 TDI 115HP 5-door in sleek grey. This spacious estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission and a plethora of comfort and safety features including Bluetooth, satellite navigation, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. With luxurious interior trim, LED lights and a spoiler for added style and security. Plus, enjoy added peace of mind with ABS, multiple airbags and emergency call. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health check, serviced to manufacturer specs and comes with comprehensive warranties. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Call us today or visit laharts.ie for more details.